In the upcoming Lok Sabha elections, Bagalkot constituency is going to witness an interesting fight between BJP's PC Gaddigoudar and Indian National Congress Samyukta Shivananad Patil. Gaddigoudar is the incumbent MP and boasts a seasoned political career. He has represented Bagalkot since 2004 and has clinched victory in multiple Lok Sabha elections. Meanwhile, Samyukta Shivananad Patil is a young lawyer hailing from Vijayapura and is the daughter of Minister Shivanand Patil. She is stepping into the political arena as a contender. Her nomination has already led to dissent within the Congress party, with Veena Kashappanavar publicly expressing discontent with the party's decision. Meanwhile, Patil's cousin brother Harshagouda Patil recently joined the BJP. With scheduled caste and scheduled tribe communities constituting over 20% of the population, Bagalkot presents a diverse electoral fabric. Hindu population stands at over 86%, followed by Muslims at 11%, with Jains comprising slightly over 1% of the population. Bagalkot will vote on May 7th and the results will be announced on June 4th. Like, comment and subscribe to Daily Salar Digital for more such updates.